Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna try to solve this cube. So Vedant is gonna put a timer. So as you can see, the cube is okay. Let me scramble a bit more. I just hope not a single piece gets twisted, because if it does, it will get a big mess. So yeah. So as you can see, it's scrambled, and now I'm gonna try to solve it. Let's see in how many seconds can I solve it. So Vedant is gonna start the timer. 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, so like this.
Oh my gosh.
I'm making a daisy.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh my gosh.
13,
Stop, Vedant.
15,
Don't show them.
16,
And don't show me also.
19, 20, 21.
Let's see in how many
22,
seconds I can
23,
solve this.
24, 25.
I've never
26,
tried actually.
27, 28, 29.
I've never
30,
like recorded a
31,
time
32,
of
33,
how many seconds I can
34,
solve this.
35.
So I'm just doing this the first time.
38, 39. I'm seeing at your
Okay.
cube. And
And then like this.
That.
Like this. Wow, I got a head start in this. Ooh, yes! The corners are already matched. Let's go. One more to
1
go.
minute.
Done! How much?
3 seconds.
1 minute, 3 seconds. Let's go! Yay, guys!
You did 1 minute, 3 seconds.
So what? It's so much less.
It's so much.
So guys, if you like today's video,
Yes!
please like and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.